So you might be wondering, how on earth do I get these files into my Blackboard classrooms? So I'm just going to show you kind of quickly how you do that. So you're going to click on the file name. It'll download to wherever you have your downloads automatically going. I have them in here in a document folder. So if you have them with the icons like this, it kind of looks like the little PDF symbol. They're not PDFs though. If you hover over it, you'll see that it says it's a WBD file, which means it's a whiteboard file. So once you have those downloaded onto your computer, you can easily bring them up in your Class Connect sessions. So in order to do that, you're just going to go into your classroom. Oh, and I can't quite get to it because it's covered with the screencast. You'll click File, Open, and you're going to open a whiteboard. And then I already have it set to this folder. You're going to choose whichever one you want and just double click it. And then once you open it in there, unlike a PowerPoint that's just kind of static and a photo of what you're putting in there, the movable pieces are saved right in there. So you can grab things and move them around without having to insert each one individually. Hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions.